Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how we can change a string value into a hash code, um, an integer value. So for that we need to think what we want. Well, we need a function that takes a string and change it into an integer value and just return it. What we want to think is, do we need negative hash? In this case, I want to do it in simple version, so I don't need negative value. For that, I'm going to say my function has unsigned int value to return. Okay, this is the only function that we need. Let's do it. That just include Okay, of course we need a main functions, and here, as I said, our function has unsigned int value type. Let's call it func, or maybe let's call it hash functions. It's take a string. Let's give it a string reference and call it data. What we're gonna do here, as we said, we just want to return an unsigned value. So for that, unsigned int result, let's call it result and initialize it to 0. Okay, that's it. And we want to return this value. Return result. Okay, this is the base of function, what we want to do. So we want to make up our mind. So we take a string, and for each value of these characters, ASCII values, we want to do specific operations and change it into a code and send it anywhere. So we're gonna do it's really simple, and write for it, and it's for unsigned int, let's call it ch, or maybe number. Ch is much more better. Ch for every character in data. So that's it. What we want to do is to change the result, the value of result. Okay, we're just gonna say result is equal to something. This is our specific operation, what we want to do, and change these values. Okay, what we want to do here is to give it the value of ch. This is just ASCII code for every character, and add it with a, let's call it result for plus. Guys, please don't worry, I'm gonna explain what this line is. Just let's do it. This is our functions, how we don't need anything else. This is just an unsigned integer value. This is an unsigned integer value. It takes the value of each character and do these operations. It just goes 4 bits in the left side, and again do it with this one plus plus and minus the result of the same value. Just minus it with the last value of result. So let's complete our code in main functions. What we need here is an instead string let's call it name and initialize it as let's say I love you with a beautiful smile here. That's it. And we want to call this function. For this functions, we need an unsigned integer value, variable, unsigned int. Let's call it hash, and initialize it to hash function. This function is gonna take name. Oh, here parentheses, it's not really good. Okay, that's it. Here in this line, we create unsigned string, unsigned integer value, and initialize it to this functions that we write. This function returns the unsigned integer value. So that's done. Let's print our result. Let's call it the hash of name hash. Done. Okay, let's take a really short look at these functions. What we want done, we just define a name and initialize the hash over these functions, the hash function, and print it out, just that one. Let's run the program. Really good. That's what we write it here. The hash of I love you, this beautiful smile, is that one. So guys, this was the code for change a string value to an integer value. So if you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I want to write a lot of code. Bye and have a nice day.